As promised y'all, I'm going to take y'all into the Grange Courthouse. This is Fayette County Courthouse. Look at that old vehicle right there. I'm going to step back in time a little bit, or step back in time a lot a bit, but this is not my normal videos. But when I'm out sourcing for things to pack up for resale on my costume jeweler channel, I do like to take y'all around and show you different things as I'm out looking also. And gosh, look at this beautiful flower bed. Now I'll tell you what are those? I'm gonna take a picture and figure that out. But aren't those gorgeous? I do love those a lot, and I think I'm gonna plant some of those. I don't think they would work. That right here's a crepe myrtle. I know what this one is. I don't think those would work quite well in Florida. They might, but I do want to find some of these. Can't you just smell those? So I think this courthouse, it's going to be like stepping back into the 1800s a little bit. You're going to see the writing on the, I say stickers, the names on the doors of the different offices. Looks like 1800s, early 1900s, probably late 1800s. But I can't get over these beautiful flowers. I can't. Where'd that be? If any of y'all have ever been to Grange before, let me know. Let's see if we can capture this guy right here. On camera, that is. Hold on just a second. He's out of the way. Where is he? Let's take a look at this courthouse. So I'm not going to talk a lot in here. I'm just going to take you in. We're going to look around at it. I'll let you enjoy it. I'll keep my trap shut. How can you tell when glass is old? My parents taught me this a long time ago. You're going to see all those little wavy, and not those trees in the background. We do see the reflection of those, but you're going to see that this glass is wavy. You can see it better up here with the reflection of the trees. You can see what I'm talking about. And look at this oak tree. How old do y'all think this is? Look at the base of it. Massive. So let's go on in here. I'll tell you what, back in the day they made these to stand for sure. It's like anything in the day, it was just made so much better.
But that's not the same thing.
So it still is in use. I wonder how old these doors are. I don't know right offhand. So this is what this is, y'all. Look at that. I think I want one of those too. I think it's awesome. Look at the base of it. It's so tiny, and the leaves are so big.
Keep cutting it down. I see. We're showing water line in 1913 flood. He's in the second floor.
Yeah, you want to go up and look?
Very famous architecture in Texas and built a bunch of these across the state. I think there's still 17 of them still in existence.
It's beautiful, but well taken care of, looks like.
He was 28.
He was undergraduate.
They didn't have courses back there, and he built this thing.
Yeah.
In that box right over there. If you would have been here yesterday, you would have heard hand down 5 life sentences.
His ancestors are from this area, so we're up this weekend.
People go away though. You know, you don't have the young people coming in.
The Cresta, it was poor man's leather at the turn of the century. It's a pressed paper product. There's not here before. We had to be period correct.
Authentic. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. Thanks for showing us.
Y'all are good.
Thanks. Just beautiful.
This is probably women's. I assume, I don't know. 'Cause this is
He said it dates back to 1893. Look at all these blinds.
5 different people. I don't know. They must polish this. The wood. It's very, very nice.
I am thirsty.